How to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. So while adding a friend or while sending some snaps, if it says that you have too many friends, then what you need to do is simply open up your Snapchat application and then go for the chats, which is on the bottom left, and here you will have your friends, right? You can simply choose any one of your friend, tap and hold on to that profile, and here you will have manage friendship option. Simply tap on remove friend, or then you can also block them. And once you remove or block them, now your problem might be fixed. You can do that with 2 or 3 other people and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you can go back, go to your profile, go for settings, which is on the upper right, scroll down, and here you can simply choose I need help, and it will take you to the Snapchat support page. And from here you can simply scroll down and you can choose contact us, tap on contact us, and then you can again choose an option, which is I found a bug. Scroll down and here you will have still need help, right? Tap on yes, and here you can again choose something like profiles and communities, and then scroll down and here you can choose my profile, and now it will take you to a submit a request page. So you can again tap on still need help, and here you will have this kind of page, right? So you need to simply enter your Snapchat username and then your email and your mobile number and the device or the brand model that you are using, and then you need to enter from when did you have this issue, and you can also upload some screenshots or some attachments, and then under the description you need to write that it says too many friends, while I add someone or while I send a snap it says too many friends, you cannot add them or you cannot send them, and you need to enter that issue. And once you enter, you need to simply tap on submit, which is here in the middle of your screen, and then your issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.